Hey there, fellow marketers. Welcome back to the Hustle Strategist channel. I'm glad you are here, and today, we're embarking on a mission to create high-converting affiliate websites that leave a lasting impact. Whether you're an affiliate marketing beginner or a seasoned pro, this video is your gateway to crafting websites that captivate your audience and drive conversions through the roof. Let's dive into the world of building a high-converting affiliate website. Designing for impact and engagement. Our journey begins with the cornerstone of a high-converting affiliate website, design. Think of your website as the digital storefront of your affiliate business. It's the first impression you make on visitors, and it's crucial to captivate their attention from the moment they land on your site. In this segment, we're unraveling the secrets to designing websites that look stunning and create a lasting impact. The design should reflect your brand identity, establishing a consistent visual language that resonates with your audience. Choosing the right color scheme, typography, and layout can significantly influence how users perceive your brand. We'll discuss the psychology behind colors and fonts, helping you make intentional choices that evoke the desired emotions. User-friendly navigation is another crucial aspect of design. A clutter-free layout and intuitive navigation guide visitors seamlessly through your content, making it easy for them to explore your affiliate offerings. Don't underestimate the power of visuals. High-quality images and videos can convey your message effectively and create a memorable experience. We'll explore how to incorporate engaging visuals that enhance user engagement. Moreover, responsive design is non-negotiable. Your website should look and function flawlessly across various devices, from smartphones to tablets and desktops. We'll discuss techniques to ensure a seamless user experience, regardless of the device visitors are using. Remember, the design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating an experience that drives conversions. A well-designed website guides visitors towards your affiliate products and encourages them to take action. So, whether you're revamping an existing website or starting from scratch, mastering the art of impactful design is your gateway to crafting a high-converting affiliate website. Now that we've established the importance of design, it's time to dive into a critical aspect of building a high-converting affiliate website, crafting compelling content that not only engages but also converts. Now we're exploring the power of content that speaks directly to your audience's needs and desires. Compelling content is the driving force behind visitor engagement, making them stay longer, explore deeper, and ultimately, take action. Product reviews are a game changer in the affiliate world. We'll delve into the art of crafting persuasive and informative reviews that highlight the benefits, features, and real-world applications of the products you're promoting. But it's not just about reviews. Tutorials, how-to guides, and informative blog posts are equally crucial. They provide value to your audience, positioning you as an authority in your niche and building trust. Storytelling is another potent technique. Sharing personal experiences, anecdotes, and relatable stories help humanize your brand and create a genuine connection with your audience. Consistency is key. Regularly updating your website with fresh, relevant, and valuable content keeps your audience engaged and returning for more. We'll discuss how to maintain a content calendar that aligns with your affiliate goals. But crafting compelling content is only half the battle. We'll explore strategies to promote your content on social media and other platforms, expanding your reach and driving more traffic to your website. So, whether you're crafting in-depth guides, informative blog posts, or captivating videos, remember that your content bridges your audience's needs and the solutions you're offering. Elevating user experience. We're now diving into the realm of user experience, a pivotal factor that can make or break your website's success. In this segment, we're delving into the art of creating a seamless and enjoyable user experience. Your website should be a haven for visitors, where they can effortlessly navigate, explore, and engage. Responsive design is non-negotiable. Ensuring your website looks and functions flawlessly on various devices not only enhances user experience but also boosts your website's search engine ranking. User-friendly navigation is a cornerstone. A clear and intuitive menu structure guides visitors to the content they seek, reducing frustration and keeping them engaged. Fast loading times are paramount. A website that loads quickly provides a positive user experience and prevents visitors from bouncing off due to slow loading. Engaging visuals and interactive elements keep visitors captivated. From eye-catching images to well-placed call-to-action buttons, we'll explore techniques to elevate user engagement. Content readability matters. Using legible fonts, concise paragraphs, and appropriate formatting ensures visitors can consume your content without any hindrance. Remember, your affiliate website should be a digital haven that welcomes visitors and guides them seamlessly towards the solutions you're offering. Stick around as we continue our journey through the world of high-converting affiliate websites. SEO optimization for visibility. We're diving into a game-changing aspect of building high-converting affiliate websites, the world of SEO optimization. Strap in as we unlock the secrets to boosting your website's visibility and driving organic traffic. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the magic wand that propels your website to the top of search engine results pages. We'll explore the art of selecting relevant keywords, optimizing meta tags, and crafting content that appeals to both users and search engines. Keyword research is your compass. We'll guide you through tools and techniques to discover the keywords that your audience is searching for, ensuring your content ranks where it matters most. On-page and off-page SEO strategies play a vital role. We'll discuss optimizing your website structure, internal linking, and building quality backlinks to establish your website as a credible source. Mobile friendliness is a non-negotiable factor for SEO success. With search engines prioritizing mobile-friendly websites, we'll show you how to ensure your site shines across all devices. But it's not just about implementation. Monitoring and analyzing your SEO efforts are crucial. We'll delve into tools and techniques to track your website's performance and make data-driven refinements. From crafting compelling content to optimizing your website structure, SEO is the compass that guides visitors to your affiliate offerings. So, gear up as we continue our journey to building high-converting affiliate websites. Hello, fellow hustlers. As we near the end of our journey through crafting high-converting affiliate websites, we're now delving into the final piece of the puzzle, the irresistible call to action. Get ready to master the art of sealing the deal and turning visitors into loyal customers. In this segment, we're exploring the strategies that will guide your audience towards the desired action. A strategically placed call to action, CTA, is the bridge that leads visitors from exploration to conversion. Compelling CTAs aren't just buttons, they're value propositions. We'll discuss techniques to craft CTAs that clearly communicate the benefits of the action, whether it's making a purchase, subscribing, or signing up. Urgency and scarcity tactics can create a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out. We'll dive into how to use time-sensitive offers and limited availability to prompt immediate action. But it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. A/B testing different CTAs can provide valuable insights into what resonates best with your audience. We'll show you how to optimize your CTAs for maximum impact. Post-action engagement matters too. After the action is taken, how can you keep the momentum going? We'll explore strategies to nurture relationships, encourage referrals, and build long-lasting connections. Remember, your call to action is the final touch that propels visitors to become valuable customers. As we conclude our journey, remember these strategies to create high-converting affiliate websites that leave a lasting impression. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building high-converting affiliate websites that make a mark in the affiliate marketing arena. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with fellow marketers, and subscribe for more game-changing content. Remember, a high-converting website is your secret weapon in the affiliate world. From the Hustle Strategist channel, signing off. Until next time, keep crafting success. Hungry for more affiliate marketing insights? Check out these videos for further guidance and strategies. Don't forget to subscribe to the Hustle Strategist channel for regular updates and more impactful content. Stay inspired, stay creative, and keep crafting high-converting websites. See you in the next video.